Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So on this video, I want to talk to you guys about Kickoff and how you guys can avoid having fees with them. So I had got a comment and I honestly forgot which one it is. It's quite a few comments and I just want to make sure I find it. So this is the one with Mission Lane. We already definitely went over that video. Someone wants a credit card in Europe. And I guess I did not add that comment on here, but the comment was talking about Kickoff and they were asking about, the $5 account with Kickoff. And they were also talking about, are they going to be able to keep that money or are they just paying that money out? And I want to explain to you guys more about Kickoff and how to avoid fees with Kickoff and how to avoid like paying unnecessary money when it comes down to Kickoff, because when you guys get accounts like the Kickoff account, a lot of people don't fully understand it and it hurts them. So this is my Kickoff account here. I want to show you what I did to help boost my credit score with Kickoff and also what you guys can possibly do and how to avoid paying additional fees. So first of all, let me say this. Any account that you get with Kickoff, if you say that you're supposed to pay something, make sure that you pay it, because if you do not pay it, they're going to start reporting you late. And as soon as they charge you off, if you had an account where you were supposed to get money back, you probably not going to get that money back because they're going to take that money. So I want to make sure that you guys avoid not paying them. Make sure that everything is set up on auto pay. You can see right here, I have my Visa set up on auto pay. I had it coming straight out of my account. That way, I paid mine off. I had a certain amount I had to pay. I just paid it off. That avoided me from having a charge off, because I have a lot of people that have that Kickoff account on there and they want me to help them remove it. But it's hard for me to help them remove it because Kickoff just do not play with their reporting. It's going to be one of the companies where you're going to probably have to just sue them. So first off, just make sure you have auto pay set up. Now, Kickoff have a lot of different accounts. So that person was asking about, how you can pay the $5 a month or you pay the $20 per month. So that's basically their Kickoff credit account. So since I had an account with them before, they had one where I can renew at $1 and then build my credit faster. The thing about this one is it's going to renew now and then it's going to be $4 per month for the first 5 months and then it's going to go up. And I just don't want to do that. I had the one where it was going to be $500 per month. If you guys can find the one that's going to be $750 per month and you guys can do it for $5 per month, that's the one that you really want to do. There is another one where you can pay $20 per month, but to me, I just don't suggest that one, because why pay $20 per month? I'm supposed to exit it out here. I guess not. So why pay $20 per month? And they're saying that you're paying $20 per month because you're getting a credit reporting. I just say get your credit reports from Credit Karma for free. And if you need to see your credit reports and you do not want to pay for them, you can always go to annualcreditreport.com. Okay. I just do not see you guys just paying constantly for your credit reports from Kickoff. I just don't think Kickoff, that's like what they came into business for. When I told people about this account, it was only so that they can report that account to the credit bureaus. That's it. So go ahead and do the $750 account and just don't pay more than $5 per month. Now, while you have that $5 per month is going to be gone. You're paying that to them. Think about it like this. They're just going to report account to the credit bureaus and it's going to help boost your credit score. If you don't want to pay the $5 per month, then definitely check out some of the other credit cards like I have on my website, Rickita.com. So you can come here and check out the best credit cards for bad credit and then get you some secure credit cards. So go ahead and get the Self. Go ahead and get the Credit Builder card. This is the Kickoff. That's what we're talking about now. Get the Discover. Get you some secure credit cards where, like this one right here, you can put a $200 deposit down on it, and they're not going to charge you any annual fees or anything like that. Whenever you close the account, they're going to give you your money back to $200. But the best thing about the Discover is that it graduates. So yeah, you put $200 down on it right now, but in about 6 to 9 months, it's going to graduate to an unsecured credit card. Somebody said there's one from $200 to $2,100, and then they're going to give you your $200 back. So technically, you're not paying any fees as long as you pay your statement balance by your due date. So if you want to avoid fees, then you can do this, get you a secure one. But also you can avoid those fees by just doing a $5 one instead of the $20. Some people want to get that, I think it's like $2,500 reported, but you're paying $20 per month and it's going towards only their pockets. It's not going towards you actually getting that money back. And then also, so they had the credit builder loan here. So I had the credit builder loan before. I paid it off. You can see I actually, as soon as they had it, I made a video just to show you guys. And I actually went through with it and paid it off, because if I didn't, they was going to put it on my credit. And I just wanted to get it done. But what I did was I paid $10 per month. And then after that, they said, hey, you're done paying. And then they said, hey, you can get the money deposited in your account. And then the next day I got that money in my account. You can do this account. You can do this also, because with this one, you're not being charged any interest at all. And to me, this one's going to be better than that $5 per month one anyway, because guess what? They don't charge you any fees, which is really good. And then this one reports to all 3 credit bureaus. The other one do not report to TransUnion. So this one is better. So you can save a lot of money by doing this one, because you're not paying that $5 per month for nothing. You might as well pay the $10 per month and let them report it to the credit bureaus. And at least you're getting that $10 per month back. So you can avoid fees by just making sure that you do this one instead of doing, just their credit builder one. Okay. Not the credit builder, but their credit account. So keep that in mind. So here's that credit account one that I was referring to. They told me I can renew the loan. So after you do it once, you can technically renew it again. I'm decided not to do it. You can also extend your payment history by making another purchase. I don't know how this would actually work, but I guess this would be a great option too. So when you guys have the option to when you guys get that $750 account, they're going to tell you have to buy something on here basically. And that's where you get that $5 per month from, right? So you can actually pay $4 per month if you were, they say $4 per month. It's actually $5 per month. You can buy like this right here. It's an ebook, and they'll report it for 4 months. And also they have plans right here where this is the one where you're paying $5 per month. They basically going to report for a year for you. This is basically the one that people are getting. Now, instead of you doing one like this, come down and look at some of these other ones. Like this one right here, you're paying on this for 3 months. And don't think too much about, oh, it's the ebook. I don't want that ebook. What are you getting for this? You're not getting anything anyway. All you care about is them reporting to the credit bureaus. So if you can get one that has like a shorter period, and then you come back and buy another ebook and another ebook, then you have low utilization reported too. Because if you get one of these, like this plan, is this the one that's a 20-month plan for $20 a month? That's too much money. If you get one of these plans, you're going to have high utilization, because they're going to report a $400 balance to the credit bureaus, and you don't want that. So definitely check out some of these other ones. It'll be so much better for you. And like I said too, if I were you, instead of doing like a 12-month plan, I would come down here and get one of these, because this one right here, $5 per month for 4 months, technically they're going to report a $20 balance, and you just pay that one off. And then also you have one right here too, where it's $5 per month for 3 months. So that's a great option for you. So my next payment would have been $5. I'm going to pay it for 3 months, and look at my utilization. Can you see that's 1.9%? So that's going to help too. Make sure you avoid these extra fees, because now your utilization is going to be so good that when they report it, it's not going to mess it up when you go ahead and get other credit cards. But look right here. Say if I was to say I'm going to do $20 a month for the 20-month plan. Making purchases in the Kickoff that would bring your utilization above 30%. So did you see that? They already said no. It's 30%. It would have been 53%, but it went so fast you can't see it. Can you see it? 53.3% when you get this one. Do not do this. Your utilization is going to be so bad. And also, even if you were to do this plan right here, your utilization is at 8%, but I always tell you guys I want it at 5%. So you guys will have a 1% utilization if you were to do like this one here. So I definitely suggest this one. Let me know if this was very helpful to you all. Please don't make these mistakes when you're having Kickoff. If you guys have any questions, please go to my website, Rickita.com, and schedule a call. You can schedule a call right here at the top. And then we do our meetups inside my exclusive credit membership. We do our meetups twice a month. So definitely come and do a meetup. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.